deals only on Parkways.
In the name of Allah, who is the most magnificent, benevolent, omnipresent and merciful. Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today we have Toyota Hilux Revo 2022 model, invoiced November 2022, censored one. New tires, scratchless vehicle, it's in Islamabad registration. It's V version, Revo V 2022. You can take a look on backside. Very immaculate and in neat condition. Another thing, PPF is installed in this vehicle. Let's go inside the car and have a look. Very immaculate. Neat and clean dashboard. You can take a look on Porsche. So guys, if you want to purchase this car, please go on to the subscription link of Parkways. Thank you so very much.
Car deals